Welcome to the new Black Unicorn Show, Beauty, Health, and Healing. Hey! So I started off my hair section this way because I'm only refreshing the top part. I want an ombre look. The color is the L'Oreal High Color in Copper. I'm using 30 Developer. Does not matter which brand, just get a 30 Developer. Please do not get a 40, okay? May burn your hair. Get your bowl, a brush. You can get this from Sally's Beauty, Walmart. Any place that sell color is typically going to have that bowl and that brush. So now it's time to mix everything together. So I poured some of the L'Oreal High Color into my little bowl, and I got my 30 Developer. I did eyeball it because I'm not dyeing my whole head. If I was, I would use the whole tube. So you see me right now just kind of pouring some developer in. So what I look for is a certain consistency. I don't want it super runny, but I also do not want it thick. And so I just keep kind of mixing it together. If you see chunks like how you see right there, please continue to mix it together. It's just supposed to look orange. And so I'm just mixing, mixing, mixing. I'm getting closer. So you see that consistency. So I'm going to end up adding some more developer, and then I'm going to start. So when I'm dyeing my hair, I start with the perimeter of whatever I'm dyeing, whether it's the whole head or just a part. If you get some dye on your skin, just hurry up and wipe it off. Some people put like Vaseline or oil or other things. I don't do all that. I just go in just because I've been doing this for a while. But for safety purposes, if this is your first time, feel free to, add some Vaseline around the perimeter of your head. So I'm going through, I'm adding the color. I say I go around the whole perimeter, but you see here, I got a little, got a little fast, got a little grown, and I started to do it. But you'll see later on, I realized that I didn't do the whole perimeter. So the key to dyeing your hair is to make the parts and then to go through and add color at the roots. I'm starting at the roots because my roots are darker and I'm doing copper and I'm not using bleach. If you was using bleach, you may not start with the roots because you don't want hot roots. So you just go through, do your sections. You see how I'm parting it right now? This to ensure that all of the hair has color deposited on it. Please don't make no big chunks because then you may end up with spots or it may be like patchy. So just go through, make your parts. This is where I really kind of take my time and I add the color. So you see right here, adding the color to the part that I just kind of laid forward and the part that just kind of opened up. So this makes sure that I have enough color on my hair. Please don't do an arm day and try to color your hair because you see right there, that's my arms getting tired, okay? Arms tired. So this is the part where I was talking about where I realized I needed to add color to the perimeter, and that's what I did. And then now, as you can tell, I made all my sections. I have color at the roots. So now I'm going to start with the end of the hair. And I start to deposit the color at the end of the hair. Now, once I've deposited enough color to the ends of the hair, I start to work it through with my hands, right? Just kind of making sure it's on the perimeter of the hair. And then I go back through like how I did in the beginning. I make the sections, but this time I apply the color to the ends of the hair. If you wanted to, you can use aluminum foil. I've only used aluminum foil once, and that's because I did like a blonde strip, but I'm just doing completely copper, so I'm just laying it. Also, for safety purposes, as you can tell, the hair is near my face, my eyes. Again, I'm used to coloring, so I know how to maneuver. But if you are new, you can use aluminum foil, especially right here, so the hair doesn't go in your eyes. And so I just speed through. I did the same process in every section. Add the color to the ends, work it through. So once I'm done, I just kind of put it into a little ball. And I even do this when I'm doing my whole entire head. Granted, all of my hair isn't long enough, but I do that. And so then I still have some product left over. I do not believe in wasting money. So what I'm going to do is dust the ends of my hair. So I have the clips. So you see like the ends, I'm just going to dust that. And so it's going to help with the blendability of the color. So my roots are kind of red from the sizzling copper or copper red that I did before. And I'm just going to dust the ends with this regular copper that I have. So in L'Oreal High Color, there's multiple shades of copper, okay? So have fun at it. Now we have the pictures, we have the end results. The color came out amazing. I love copper, I love orange. This wash and go was bomb, y'all. Okay, I'm on day 3 and it still looks amazing. So you better believe I'm gonna review the product that I used, okay? But this is me showing off. Look at them curls. Look at that juicy curl right there, okay? Somebody come look at this juicy curl. Hey, I've been dyeing my hair for over a year. My hair is healthy. My hair that hasn't broken off. So you can dye your hair at home. You can be safe. Again, I do not use bleach. I leave that to the professionals. But look at these curls. Okay. Look. Look. If you still watching, you're OG. But this is the end of the video. Bye.